Hello guys, what's up? How are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about sets function, rank function, index function and first and the last function to create top 5 and bottom 5 customer names. So let's start and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. So stay tuned. And here we have customer names. When I will drag customer name into rows, so I will add all members here. So after that I will drag sales into text. So here we have customer names and we have sales. So first I will right click on the customer name and create sets. So here we have top 5. I will just after I will here we have 3 options, general, condition and top, and then I will go to the top options and then click on by field, and then here in beside the top options I will type here 5 and hit OK. So here we have top 5, and after I will go to again right click on the customer name and go to the create and then create set, and then I will type here bottom 5 and then go to the, and after I will go to the top options and then click on by field, and now I will click on bottom and then I will type here 5 and hit OK. So we have top 5 and bottom 5. Keep the error on the top 5 using keypad. Click on Control and Alt and then scroll, and here we have top 5 and bottom 5, and right click, and here we have options create combines. So after I will type here top 5, top and bottom 5 customers. So click OK. So here we have top 5 and bottom 5 customers. When I will drag it into the filters, so you will see here we have 10 values here, and I will go and here we have top 5 and bottom 5 customers. So here we have sets functions, and the next function is the rank function. So same, I will drag customer name into rows and sales into text and open the calculated field, and here I will type here top 5 and bottom 5 customers, and then I will type here rank unique function, and then I will type here sales, sum of sale, and then less than equal to 5, or, and then again rank unique, and then type here sum sales, and then comma, and then ascending, and then type here less than equal to 5. So here we have, and then hit OK. When I will drag top 5 and bottom 5 into filters, we have boolean values true and false. And then hit OK and go to the descending order. Click here, and then here we have top 5 and bottom 5 values by using rank function. The next function is index function. The same method will be applied. I will drag customer name into rows and then sales into text, and after that I will open calculated field, and here I will type here top 5 and bottom 5 customer, and here I will type here index function. So index function I will type here index and then less than equal to 5, and then R function. After I will type here again index function and then greater than size minus 5. So here we have the calculation is valid, hit OK. First it's very easy, index less than equal to 5 or index greater size minus 5. Hit OK. When I drag into the filter options and hit on true and then apply and then go to the descending order. So here we have top 5 and bottom 5 values. The same values here we have. Sets functions, rank functions, index function, and after first and last function. The same method will be applied. I will go to the customer name and I will drag sales into text. So, and after I will open calculated field. Here I will type here top 5, bottom 5 customer names, and then I will type here first greater than minus 5 or last less than 5. The calculation is valid, hit OK. When I drag into filters, click on true options, hit OK and go to the descending order. So here we have top 5 and bottom 5 values. So this is how you can create top 5 customers and bottom 5 customer by using sets function, rank function, index function and first and the last function. So thank you so much for watching this video.